Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on another walking tour video, and today's location is Valletta, the capital city of Malta. I have noticed that a lot of you guys are enjoying these videos when I'm walking around, and they're filmed all in one go, and it really gives you like a whole vibe, like you are walking with me as well. Now, before we explore the beauty of the capital city, Valletta, I want you guys to know that these videos are all filmed in 4K with 120 frames, which means that you're getting the best quality. So just change the settings on the screen and place it at the highest resolution so that you can enjoy the best views of the island. Okay, now this on the side. Oh, another very important thing. A lot of people were asking for me to show my face. Hey guys, I'm the one still filming these videos. I just wanted to make more of these personal videos where you can really enjoy the beauty of Malta and also feel like you are here with me. Now, enough about me ranting. We are next to the Triton fountain. Look at it, how beautiful it is, especially at night with the lights on, and we have Phoenicia Hotel at the back. Beautiful. The date today is the 3rd of October when I'm doing this video, and as you can see that there is a stage being prepared, and this is for the Notte Bianca that it's happening over the weekend. Now I'm posting this video on Saturday, which is exactly the day when Notte Bianca is happening here in Malta, but I will be in Cyprus. Okay guys, so this is Alex with a voiceover from the future. So I have noticed that my phone, this video, actually has so many parts that are muted. And I'm trying to figure it out whether this is coming from the phone or it's actually from the gimbal that I was using. So until I sort it out, this video is going to be with voiceovers and some music. Hello guys, they were watching my YouTube videos. Okay, now we are entering inside Valletta. This is the main gate, and in about 3 seconds you're going to hear the rest of the audio which was live in that time. Enjoy. I know that there are a lot of Maltese people that are living abroad and watching my videos so that you can see and get the vibe of how Malta it is currently right now at this moment. Look at that. Wait, let me try to pen up a bit. Nice. Okay, here I'm listening to music in one of these bars, so we might do another music on top of the video, but we can just enjoy the beautiful scenery. Did you notice how, wow, look at the lights. Yes, this is all the preparation from the theater as well. Now, some people, they might be interested to know what exactly this Notte Bianca means. Notte Bianca is the day when in Malta all the bars, the shops, the museums, everything is going to be open late at night. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but if it's about 30 minutes, I'm planning to name it like walk in Valletta, 30 minutes walk in Valletta. Wait, pin down Alex. They're one of the busiest coffee shops. We have a souvenir shop on the other side as well. Some people that are watching my YouTube videos, they might have seen this scenery many times, but... Okay, so we have another 25 seconds where the video was muted. So here, I remember I was talking about the weather in Malta at this time of the year, which was 28 degrees during the day. And some people think that Malta is not that busy when it comes to off-season, but you will see later on in the video, it was quite busy for a Thursday. So it's pretty warm. The Republic Street, we just enter in it. Still very... People think that Malta is not busy after the summer period. No, it's still very busy. Look at that. Let me just zoom for a second. Nice. I love it. Each time when I come over to Republic Street here in Valletta, I enjoy it, seeing all these people, all this movement. Like, look at this. The world is just passing by, and you see all these pretty faces around, and you wonder, what what's going on in their life? Look at this doggo. Hello. Oh. Another voiceover, and this is going to be an important information for people who are visiting Malta. Now, if you clicked on this video to see how Valletta looks like at night, and if you are wondering whether you should stay in Valletta or in Sliema or in St. Julian's, I will break it down for you in the next minute. Number one, if you would like to stay in Valletta, here you will find a few hotels which are like a 5-star hotels. One of them is Phoenicia, the other one is Excelsior. They're a bit out of Valletta, I mean very close to the fountain, so it's like 50 seconds walking to the city gate of Valletta. However, inside Valletta you have so many beautiful palazzos where you can stay. Yes, some of them they tend to be very expensive, but you will find some affordable prices as well. And over the night time, Valletta, it's not like completely dead, but to be honest, you have more fun in Sliema or in St. Julian's. It all depends on your age and what you're aiming for when you're visiting Malta. Wow. So we have the court next. Yes. Why is it so dark at this place? Still we are in on Republic Street. Oh, I'm getting a phone. And this part of the audio was interrupted because I was getting a phone call and I totally forgot to put my phone on airplane mode. Look at the crowd of people and this guy with a camera, like something was going on. I don't know if these were local people or were some people from abroad, but anyway, how did this car enter here? I have no idea. It was a rented car. Now, I'm passing next to Cafe Cordina, the oldest coffee shop here in Valletta, which is very famous for tourists. But also, as I mentioned at the very beginning of the video, we have the preparation for Notte Bianca. Ah, yeah, it's just a rehearsal. Okay, we're gonna go close to it as well. Sorry. So there is going to be this stage here. Wow, girl. Whee. So cool. Let's see. People are interested to know what's going on. Let me zoom for a second. Okay, that's it. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Okay, I will try to go somewhere else. Either I'm gonna take you to lower Barrakka or upper Barrakka. By the way, let me show you my shadow. Look at that. Hey. Hey, I need your feedbacks. So I need your feedback whether this is too fast of a pace for me to walk. Do you want me to walk a bit slower? Shall I show you more of like the surroundings, the buildings around me? Or what I'm doing at the moment, it's good. Let me know in the comment section, please. Now here I'm arriving next to Sultan Belt and I was wondering whether I should go down towards the St. Paul Street or shall I stay on Merchant Street? Considering that Merchant Street has quite a lot of bars and restaurants and there will be loud music, I made a choice to go down the St. Paul's Street and then I continued towards the nice bars which are on the stairs. Now guys, something very important I would like to say for each and everyone that it's enjoying my YouTube videos and it's supporting my YouTube channel. You can do that by clicking the like button, share this video with anyone who would like to visit Malta. And to those who appreciate the work that I'm doing, I would like to help this channel to grow even more. You can just donate on my PayPal, which is going to be here on the screen, and my Revolut as well. They're going to be down in the description. This is not mandatory, it's just whoever would like to support the channel. Thank you. There is one more thing that I wanted to say. You know that I mentioned about these videos that they are live streams. In reality, they are not streams, but they are filmed all in one go without any cuts and interruptions. Unfortunately, this video I have to cut it in several parts because of the technical issues with the audio. However, I think it was a very nice video that I have filmed showing how Valletta looks like just before the preparation of Notte Bianca, so I decided to post it. Look at that, look at the colors, look at the people, you can see everything that is going on at the same time. Uh-oh, music, I have to mute now for a second. Okay, St. Paul's Street. We have that side from when we are arriving, and we have this side as well. Whether I continue down the streets or shall I go down the stairs? I think maybe it's a better idea if I go down the stairs. No, I'll go down this way because I want you to see those bars with the people sitting down on the stairs. I can see that we have already 13 minutes of a footage unless I am fast forwarding something. Now you're gonna see one of these bars that I'm telling you about. Unfortunately, the audio was cut off over here as soon as I arrived next to the beautiful stairs and these bars. Look at that. Like, people were in such a good positive vibe. It was really nice with all these flags on top. Like, you really feel like it's an international environment, and everyone was so excited and so happy to be here. These stairs are always busy, guys. There are 2 or 3 of this type of streets. Look at that. Ooh la la. Good looking people as well. By the way, this is what I said in the original audio as well. Okay, let's continue, and I'm gonna take you now towards the Upper Barrakka Gardens. Beautiful. We're missing some lights here. It would be nice to have some lights at the entrance. Anything dimmed, like how it is inside, you know? Nice. Very peaceful, very quiet, very considerate, very demure. Nice. Can't wait for you to see the view. No, wait! Guys, the ship is leaving! Hold on, we need to see this. Security. Whoa, we got this. So happy. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that. I wonder which one it is. Ah, P and O. Beautiful. You know, if I was in Lower Barrakka Gardens, it would have been even nicer. The view from Lower Barrakka when these cruise liners are departing from the port in Valletta, it's stunning. But anyway, you're seeing it from here as well. It's beautiful. Nice. Bye, tourists. Okay, 21 minutes already. Okay, so now it's time for you to see a magnificent views. Even at nighttime, of course, they're way more better during the daytime, but this is a view towards the 3 cities. Now, the 3 cities are just opposite of Valletta, and you can reach them with a boat, you can reach them with taxi or with a bus. Some people would like to walk. Yes, you can walk as well, but it will take around 50 minutes to reach from Valletta to the 3 cities. One of them is Birgu, which is one of the most famous, and we are looking at Isla or Senglea right now, which was one of the most bombarded cities in Malta during the war. Yep, and there are still some areas where you can see some damages and holes on the houses and on the buildings as well. Where I'm heading to right now, on your right hand side, there is the lift that can take you down straight towards the ferries, from where you can take a ferry to continue to Birgu. Now, guys, I really need you to know that these videos that I'm doing right now, I really love doing them, first of all. It's very easy for me to go around and just show you how Malta looks at present. I know that I'm doing this with live streams, however, the live streams are a completely different format. It's something that is happening in real time where you can chat with me as well, but those videos are with a very low resolution and quality. The good thing is that we can chat on them, but they're in a portrait mode, and many of you are requesting for me to do them in landscape. Instead of doing live streams in landscape mode, I'm going to do these 15 to 20 minutes walking videos around the island. So please use the comment section down below and let me know in which other city you would like me to go next, so I can do one of these videos where we can just walk, I can talk, I can give you information. Speaking about this with talking, let me know as well if you'd like me to talk while I'm doing these videos. Shall I talk more? Shall I talk less? Shall I leave more for you to get the natural feelings, the natural audio? Or you just want me guys to keep on talking? If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it down below and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I see you in my next one, bye!